So for now, we will be discussing about Python code. So our Python code is personality test, and we made it with um, Tkinter. So we import the Tkinter so that we can have the personality test code. Then this code creates a simple personality test with 5 questions each. Also, here is the 5 questions. Then each questions you have the 4 options. For example, if you have the favorite color, what is your favorite color? So you have the options here. So by the way, you can just modify this code, or you can just modify the options. So number 2 is, how do you like to spend your free time? So also you can modify your codes here. So we have the self question and this the options. Then when the user clicks the submit button, the program calculates the user's personality test type based on their answers and display the result in a label. So after you submitted, so below the submit, you will see your personality test result. So so let's check the code. So first we need to import the Tkinter. Then we declare the personality test class. Then here we need to have the codes for the initialize. Then we need to create widgets for our questions and our options. Then also we need to create labels for our radio buttons for the questions and options. So per question we will have the option below. Then we need to display it using the for loop. Then we need to add the submit button and add the result label. So below the submit button again, you will see your um, actual result of your personality test. Then we declare the submit. So now, so this submit will say your personality type. So it will say type E, type B, or type C, or type D. So once we run this code, we just need to click the run code. So here you see your actual form. So first is, what is your favorite color? For example, I chose blue. So how do you like to spend your free time? I like playing sports or hanging out with friends. Which of the following animals do you relate most? So we will for me, I will have the dolphin. How do you handle stress? Taking a nap, talking a friend. So for example, I'm taking a nap. What is your favorite type of music? So for example, I want rap, classical, or pop. Also, by the way, I want rock. So once I submit this, once I click the submit button, so in the submit button below, I will see my personality personality test report. So once I'm done submitting the answers, or the answers to the following questions, so I can see my personality type. So the output is your personality type is type D. So maybe that's all for now. So let me know if you need the code, so I will just send you the code, or um, just comment on the video so that I can see your comment and ask for your personal email so that I can send you the codes.